His eyes held mine as he brought those fingers to his mouth and sucked on them, on the taste of me. Do you consider what I read to meet the standards of the South Carolina Association of Librarians agenda to provide high quality materials that meet academic and recreational reading needs of all of our students? Can any of you provide the educational significance, appropriateness for students of an in-depth description of fingering somebody, adding a second finger, plunging them in deeper and harder, bringing his fingers to his mouth, sucking on them, and tasting someone, being made available to children 14 and up in our district libraries? According to Penn America, 27 school districts have removed this book. This book is intended for an adult audience, yet the district has it available to 14 and up. In conclusion, the information I have provided for the removal of the book does not violate the First Amendment, according to CKW Wentzville School District. Supreme Court case Pico versus Island Trees, Judge Brennan's opinion suggested it would be permissible for school boards to remove based on pervasive vulgarity.
The book was chosen to be in the collection because it is written by award-winning young adult author and recommended by several professional library review sources as a good choice for high school libraries. It is important to note that this title is not required reading for any course in School District 5. The committee also identified the following while reading over several professionally reviewed resources. Best-selling author and title. The reviews have differing age recommendations, ranging from age 12 to 17, with the committee identified median of age 14. The committee's opinion was that the dominant theme in A Court of Mist and Fury is found through its literary value. Characters, thoughts, and age-appropriate themes for high school students included good and evil, strong female character, and the fantasy fiction. The committee then discussed the explicit scenes in the book. The committee reviewed the resource book looks and their rating system. A Court of Mist and Fury was rated 4 out of 5 on that resource, and it was deemed obscene and sexually explicit. The committee, based on the materials that were reviewed, agreed that the title is not intended for young adult adolescent readers and is intended for young adult ages, which included high school students. Committee members emphasized the importance of looking at the book as a whole, not sections pulled out of context. Therefore, after very careful consideration, the District Review Committee voted 8-1 that A Court of Mist and Fury by Sara Maas is deemed acceptable and appropriate for School District 5 high school libraries, aligning with the district's policies and guidelines.